Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to exit the full screen on Mac. So full screen actually it means your complete screen is covered and there is no menu bar to exit and stuff. So we will be using the Safari browser as example to understand the different ways to exit the full screen. So right now you can see the Safari browser is full screen. I cannot see any of the menus and stuff. So very first option is go to the extreme top and you would see this menu bar, and here you can see this green icon where you can choose the option exit to full screen and it will come back. Now other way is go and select the view from the menu bar, and here you would be having the option to exit the full screen. The third option is if you are in this full screen, you can use the keyboard command like Control Command F and it will automatically resize. Now the fourth option is also there where you can use your trackpad to using your 3 finger to open the mission control. Once you are in the mission control, you can just simply select the full screen window and drag it down to the desktop and it will automatically come down to the normal mode or the minimized mode. So these are different ways. You can use the similar button commands or the options in any other application, not only in Safari but video player or even in the Chrome browser or any other applications. You would be able to see these all options available. The easiest way is to use the Control Command F, which is easy and it will be applied on all the applications across the Mac. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.